Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Franklin, the cheese master, and of course, one of my greatest friends, Vinny.
Today we're doing a grown-up grilled cheese. Who doesn't love a grilled cheese? We're gonna be putting some Délice de Bourgogne.
Délice de Bourgogne is a triple cream cheese. It's also the cheese of love.
This is butter trying to be cheese. We're going with a Vermont white sharp cheddar. We're cutting it as thin as possible. I love cheese so much.
I love cheese so much.
Get heirloom Cherokee purple tomatoes. We want there to be some structure. I just want black pepper. Look at this. Take some of this amazing Delice. We're gonna spread that on our bread, however much you want.
Cover the bread well.
I'm gonna take butter. You wanna move it so it doesn't brown. We're gonna put one piece of bread down. We're gonna put the other piece of bread down. We're gonna spin, we're gonna turn. We're gonna layer both sides with our white cheddar. This is gonna go into the oven just like this. Start getting some garnish ready for our sandwich. Grilled cheese out of the oven now. I'm gonna take a little peek where we're at on the browning. Oh boy, full Cherokee purples, right? Look at that. We got some beautiful applewood smoked bacon. Fold that right down on there. Look at the color on that. I wanna get some green on the bread. Look at the cheese oozing out of this thing. Look at that.
Everybody should try this.
Yeah.
So head to our website, news12.com, and you'll find the recipe there. Make this immediately. Thank you.
My pleasure as always.
Life-changing.
Amazing.